Alright guys, you already know what's in this box, but there's no way in my right mind that I could not unbox this on camera for you guys. We've got a box here from Dlux Fab. I don't know when this clip's actually going to make it live on YouTube. I don't know if I'm going to upload it as it is or if it's going to get put into the rest of the series in the future, but we'll see what happens. So, I've already cracked this open. I've not actually looked at anything in here. I'm super pumped because I know what's in here. I spent a lot of money on it, and I'm sure you guys are going to be super excited as well. So, got the 2 items. Looks like some other doodad. I'm not sure what this is about. And we've also got a whole buttload of stickers, which is super nice of them. Anything else in there? No shipping label, no nothing? Alright. So, put those things aside. Let's see which one we're going to open first. Let's go with this one. And yeah, before anyone asks, I fell off my skateboard. That's what that's about. Sorry about that. Camera card decided it was full. Very untimely event, I'd say. Oh man. Oh man. Whoo! Baby! Oh yeah! That is what I'm talking about right there. Got a rear Dlux Fab super light axle. And of course, we already know that if there's a rear, there's also a front. Let's crack this bad boy open. Oh, man. Wow, you guys. All I can say right now is freaking wow. Like, these things are gorgeous. Got carbon fiber plate on the side there. Got brass on the bottom. These slugs are tungsten, apparently. That's a new feature, I guess, that they've recently added. Got steering link in the front here. Probably titanium, seems pretty light. Got carbon fiber servo mount. Dude. I am simply blown away with these. So obviously, if this gets uploaded before the series starts, you guys know we're building an MOA. Yeah. I'm gonna get you guys in for some close-ups here, because I'm just like, ah! Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing. I've had a lot of fun. I'm super excited with these. These are going to stay in my hands the rest of the day because they are fantastic. They are just, they're so nice. They're great quality. So I hope that you guys are looking forward to the MOA build. It'll be a couple months before that actually comes together, but stay tuned because there will be custom chassis machining, custom wheel machining. I'm going to be doing custom links. All that good stuff is going to be in this project, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I've got another project planned for the meantime, which I'm still waiting on one part for. It's stuck in customs. Sucks. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified when this series starts, and I'll see you guys in the next one.